Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to mount drive to a folder in Windows 10. Open File Explorer. Click this PC, C drive, create new folder. Type Disk Management in Windows search bar. Click Create and format hard disk partitions. Select Drive to connect a folder. Right-click Drive, click Change Drive Letter and Paths. CLCK Add. Select Mount in the following empty NTFS folder. Click Browse to select already created empty folder. Click OK. Click OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.